Self-care is important because it tends to balance your mental, physical, and as well as your emotional. Once you have these things, you tend to benefit from it, and then people who you will transmit these special feelings, the joy and your energy to other people, and hence promoting a healthy environment.
Mahalagang pag-iingat sa sarili siyempre. Katulad sa akin, marami pang binubuhay. Kailangan ng kalusugan ko para yung sa trabaho, para sa trabaho.
Self-care is important because
For us to look pretty.
For us to look better. For us to be confident.
For our hygiene.
It is also to build our self spiritually and physically.
To build our confidence.
I am very happy po. Parang napaka-professional po nung nag-haircut sa akin.
Today, ramdam na ramdam namin yung Women's Month. And then, mas okay siya ngayon kasi kung ano yung request talaga nagagawa. Tsaka, thank you kay TPB kasi every month, binibigyan niya kami ng talagang makakapag-pamper kami, relax, yan pa.
Why do you think self-care is important? It's important because you can't give from an empty cup. You have to fill in yourself, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, mapunan mo yung not just your needs but your yung dreams and wants para ikaw din makapagbigay sa iba at mabigay mo din sila ng love and care.